My wife's a huge Nextdoor fan. She would probably pick on the Nextdoor one, and that one's going to get you more business than any others anyway. My biggest tip for you, though, that I want you guys to take away on reviews is never let a verbal testimonial go unpublished. I would write that down because that's a big one, and that's for the people in the field. Because you don't often hear, I don't call your business and say, oh my gosh, I just had the best roach treatment ever. But what does happen is the guy comes to my house, he's on time, he's nice, he says hi to my kids, he does his job. We haven't seen roaches in the last couple months, which makes us very happy. And he's about to leave, and I just say, hey man, I just want to say thank you. You guys have been great, and I just really appreciate it. And he walks out, and you never hear about it. But what I want you to do is I want you to train your team to hear those words, and I want them to have something in their pocket and say, thank you for saying that. It means a lot to me. And the best way to thank us and thank me is to do this. He hands them a card and it's got those 3 sites on it.